This video is not sponsored by Rove. If you're stuck figuring out which dash cam you should purchase, get Rove. You get both front and rear view cameras. It comes equipped with a 128GB micro SD card that can be upgraded to 1TB. It also has a feature that auto loops memory, which deletes old footage for continuous recording. I've had it for 2 months now without the need to reformat the memory. The image quality is great any time of day. There's an optional Hardwire kit for $30 that activates parking mode. It connects directly to the battery. I highly recommend the adapter if you park outside or on an open driveway. It activates upon impact. This dash cam is by far one of the best purchases I've made this year. You can review footage or download directly from the app. I was involved in an accident and had to get parts replaced for the dash cam. Rove's customer service is second to none. They handled my situation perfectly and in a timely manner. They have a great culture and made me feel appreciated as a loyal customer. I have affiliate links in the description below. If you found this video helpful, I encourage you to please like this video, share, and subscribe. And if you want to further support the channel, check out my Patreon in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.